Hi everyone, this is your Patrick. Today I'm here with the topic depending on each other. I have prepared a PowerPoint presentation to explain this topic. I hope you'll enjoy this. In this video, we are going to see how living things depend on each other, how living things depend on the environment they live, and finally, what is food chain and its importance. Now let's see how living things depend on each other. Living things are also known as organisms. The way they depend on each other is known as interdependence. Now let's see about plants. Plants are living things. Plants need water, air and sunlight to survive, which means they depend on water, air and sunlight. Now let's see on animals. Here let's take this cow as an example. The cow needs plants or grass to eat. The grass is its food. So all animals need food to survive. This theory shows that the cow survives on grass, which means the cow depends on grass. So that's why it's depending on each other. The cow is a thing, the grass is a thing. The cow is depending on the grass. So far, we saw that plants depends on sunlight, water and air, and cows, which we can say like animals, depend on plants. Now we can see how plants depend on animals. Let me show you. Here you can see that hedgehog is eating watermelon, and then here a squirrel is eating a nut. Here you can see that the plant depends on animal. The plant produces fruits, right? The fruits are the watermelon and the nuts. Inside that is a seed. When it eats it, the seed will go inside the body, and then when the waste come out, the plants can grow from it, the seed. That's how plants depend on animals. First, it's survival. Now let's see how animals depend on plants. In this photo, you can see a deer hiding inside the grasses, and as it is very sunny, the elephants are hiding under the tree. The deer must be escaping from predators, and then the elephants are taking shade from the sun. One more reason is that they can use it as the food. This is how animals depend on plants. Now let's see about food chain. A series of organisms, each depends on the next as a source of food, is known as food chain. Food chain shows how each organism depends on something else for survival. Let me show you an example of food chain. This plant is eaten by a cricket, and this cricket is eaten by a frog, and the frog is eaten by a snake, and the snake is eaten by an eagle. Let's look at the importance of the food chain. The food chain helps to make sure that all species will not go extinct or get overpopulated. If the animals go extinct, there will not be enough food for humans. Let's take earthworm as an example. If all the earthworms were eaten by birds, earthworms will go extinct. Earthworms are important for farming. Without farming, humans cannot survive. On the other hand, if the birds are not eaten by other animals like eagles, they will be overpopulated. So they will not get enough space and food to survive. So food chain is important for the environment. Okay friends, I hope you like my video. Thank you for watching. Bye.